Hello students, good morning. Myself Dr. K.M. Khalkar, Department of Botany, KTHM College, Nasik. So friend, in the last lecture we have already started the fourth one chapter, simple chapter, that is the special practices in horticulture, and in which we have covered the first special practice like as the training, their objective, their types, their systems. At the same times we have covered the fruit crop, their special practices like as the Bahar treatment, girdling, notching, ringing, bending, etc. Then, friend, we considered here the second, we will say the special practices like as the pruning. Like as the pruning is there. So, pruning is also one of the important special practice in case of the plant. Pruning is a part of training. Yes, is a part, is some part of the training is there. So, pruning may be defined as the art and science of cutting away a portion of the plant to improve its shape, to influence its growth, flowering, fruitfulness, and improve the quality of the product. And it is done divert a part of plant energy from one part to another part of the plant is there. Yes, the pruning is a part of training. It may be defined as that is the art and science of cutting away a portion of the plant to improve its shape. When we will improve the shape, influence on the growth of the plant, at the same times it will increase the flowering, fruiting, and the product from the plant is there. So that is the simple one. Pruning is there. The objectives of the pruning, the first one, training of young trees. Yes, so that is the one part of the training is there. Training of young trees, pruning is essential there. Maintenance of grown up trees, like as maintenance the health of bearing trees are there, fruit bearing plants are there to maintain the health of fruit bearing plants. The bringing vigor in old trees are there to bring vigor in old trees. Pruning is essential there. The principles of pruning, the young trees are pruned to train acquired desired shape. Yes, to give a proper shape to the plant. Pruning is essential there. In old trees, light heading back is done to stimulate the flowering. Yes, with the help of pruning, the heading back is done there. With the help of that plant or the branches stimulate to flowering is there, obtained a new branches, and that new branches maybe gives more and more flowering is there. The third one principle in bearing trees, light pruning is done to stimulate fresh growth and it bearing flower buds on the fresh growth is there. Whereas in old trees, heavy pruning is done to restore the vigorous is there. That is also the one principle. And all the diseased, weak, dead or shedding branches must be removed with the help of pruning. Means with the help of pruning, we will do remove the diseased, weak, dead or shedding branches are removed with the help of pruning. That is also one of the principle. System of pruning, these are the various system. Heading back is there, means only top branches are headed back or cut off is there. Yes, means the top branches with the help of that another branches are grow well there. Thinning out, complete removal of branches or a part of the fruit is there. That is known as the thinning out. That is the one system of pruning is there. Then the dehorning is there. Cutting away the main limb or thick major branches are there. The thick major branches when we will cut, that will be processed. The more and more branches are there. Or the bulk pruning, heavy pruning all over the tree for good fruit production. Only judicious heading back or thinning out should be done there. So that is known as the bulk pruning is there. Generally in case of the fruit, we will remove some fruitlets are there. With the help of that, the remaining which will be grow very properly is there. Rule of the pruning, never leave a shrub as far as possible. Yes, minimum cut surface is essential there. Start cutting from the lower end first, leave half away or even less and then cut from the tough is essential there. Keep the cut surface clean and smooth. Yes, with the help of that, we will avoid the entry of microorganism in the plants and protect the wound by the Bordeaux paste is essential there. When we will make the wound to the plants from through the wounds, the infection maybe takes place there. To avoid it, there is the need of the Bordeaux paste is essential there. So all these are the points related simply to the training is there. So the training is the one part of, sorry, pruning is there. So the pruning is one part of training is there. Then the next one point, friend, that is the vegetable crop special practices are there. The first one, like as the earthing of is there, means helping of soil around the base of plant. Simple earthing of means heaping up soil, means heaping up soil around the base of the plant. Toward the base of the plant, the soil is heaped there. With the help of that, support to the plants are there. Like that, the roots of tomatoes and beans as well as the tubers like potatoes can grow well. With the help of heaping up the soil, the plants are grow well there, like as the tomato, like as the bean, like as the tuber, like as the potatoes. In such a cases, the well growth which will be takes place because of why the earthing up is there. With certain plants, for example, like as the leaf covering a part of the plant, earth keeps the plants while that prevents from the becoming tough is there. So that branch, that plant become tough when they are getting a support at their base. They are grow well there and cultivate often so as to remove all weak and the loosen soil is there. So that will be, we will cultivate a well plant known as the earthing up. Simple one, that is the heaping of the soil around the base of the plant known as the earthing up. One word mark. The question may be asked, define earthing up, means heaping up the soil around the base of plant. Second one, that is the staking is there. The vegetable with long and weak stem, for example bean and tomato, need a stalk, need stake, need support is there. So stake means support to the branches of the plant, like as the bean, like as the tomato. There is need, give a stake is there, and a stake is sticky, firmly embedded in the earth, and it is best to use hardwood which does not rot. So such a type of the part may be used there, maybe wood, maybe metal. With the help of that, a stake or maybe of wire. With the help of that, a stake is given to the plant. With the help of that, the branches are grow well there. The next one, like as the blanching is there. The scalding vegetables in boiling water or steam for a short time is a must. Almost all vegetable to be frozen there. It stops the enzyme action which can cause the loss of flavor and color of the texture. That is the, we will say, special practices. And the blanching cleans the surface or dirt of organism, brighten the color, helps retard the loss of vitamins from the vegetables. Is there branching is the one of the process generally used for the vegetable, in which the scalding vegetable in boiling water or steam, so that are free from the microorganism, so that we will maintain the flavor and color texture of the vegetables are there. So friend, these are the simple one, we will say the process of, or the special practices in case of this vegetable crops are there. So friend, here we are considering the different points related to that are, we will consider here special practices in horticulture. In the last lecture we have considered, that is the training. In training we have also covered the types, their principle, as well as we will say the objective of the trainings are there. Secondly, we have considered the special practices in case of the fruit plant, like as the bahar treatment is there, girdling is there, notching is there, ringing, bending, etc. is there. And here in this lecture we have covered the pruning and its type, its principle, its care. Care should be taken at the time of pruning, and at the same times we have covered the special practices in case of the vegetable crops, like as the earthing up, staking, and the blanching are there. And in this way, here is the end of the fourth one chapter, special practices in horticulture. Thank you.